Okay, this is the C-clamp I decided to try out for the challenge. Trying to get it all painted up, make it look nice. It's a Stearns, nice, interesting handle on it. But the factory had a large piece on here that needs to be cleared off and made straight. Other than that, we're going to just leave it alone. Start to get some initial color just to try out a couple ideas. We'll see how it goes. For now, I'm going to get onto the belt sander and do a little bit of sanding. Okay, that's about all I want to do for now. Just try to keep these symmetrical. Alright, and still working. Okay, this is the one side done in blue so far. Had to do some masking around the sides. Going to flip it over and do the other side, which has the Stearns logo on it. Plan on doing it in white with and then the outside edge here in red. Okay, to help mask this area here for further painting, trace out the edge of the clamp, and then I'll take this and cut it to fill in the areas exactly where I want. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, we got a coat of red on top of the mask area here. We'll start peeling it off and working on seeing how well we came out. I did 2 or 3 coats of each color. I think 3 blues and probably 3 reds at least. Get up in this little tiny radius here, I use a small hole punch to make a round piece of tape to stick in there. Gave me a nice radius there. Hopefully that's coming out decent. Let's see, here we go. Okay, we'll get the tape off of the Acme screw here a little bit later. This is basically what we have so far. Okay, you're getting a little closer. Finally got the Stearns highlighted. Tried 2 or 3 different techniques. My hand is just not steady enough to do that by hand. Okay, now to continue along with the theme, I ordered some small vinyl stars from one of the eBay vendors. I was able to contact one, and he said 1/4-inch stars would be no problem, and due to the small amount of space here, I was able to decide to get those. I'm going to use 13 stars, and we will start putting them on one at a time. It'll take a while. I use these little Starrett dividers to help me with the spacing, so it'll be fairly even going around to the beginning of the Stearns word, and then so it'll be 7 on this side, 6 over here. And then we'll get it up here close to the top there, about like so, and pull off that, and give it a little bit of a press, and go on to the next one. I won't run you through all of these, but we'll go through a couple, three of them here, give you an idea of how to go. Okay, coming right along here. You want to get it pretty close before you start putting any pressure, because they do stick quite well. Okay. And here we have it. Done the same thing on the other side already. And again, this is a Stearns 2.5-inch C-clamp. And I do thank ScoutCrafter for putting up the challenge, and I hope you have enjoyed the project. We'll see you some other time. I'm new at YouTubing, so we'll have to learn to edit now. Thank you very much.